Hello?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. So everyone able to see the screen? My screen?
Hmm. Right.
Yeah. So I think if you want to miss, I can increase somewhat. Okay. Is it fine?
Yeah,
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah. Now you can observe this is the performance center. So means once like is application lifecycle management ALM or perform center, both it will be same like same. Okay, so you can observe once you can open the URL as a web based application. Actually this performance center, once you can open this, it will ask from the your username password details. Okay, and after that it will ask from the project details like which domain, it's a banking domain, and what is the your project name. So means which project you should log in, it will ask from the project details. Then after that you need to click on the login button. Okay, and once we can log in, right, it will be look like this. Okay, it will be look like this, and here we can observe. So if you expand the testing tab, we have the this is the testing tab. So left side panel, you are seeing, right, this is the testing tab. Click on the test lab based on the regression. Okay, so once we can click on the testing tab, we can see the different things: test resources, test plan, test lab, time slot, test run. Everyone able to see this?
Yes, yes, Kiran.
Okay, means we have the like controller, we don't have this many, right? We have only two tabs. One is from the design tab, one is from the run tab. But here we have the test plan is one, and test lab and test resources and time slot test run will be there. So going to the first will be test run. So test run nothing but what are the scenarios you want to upload the script. And once you can upload the script, you need to like design the scenario, how many users you want to execute the test, what is the ramp up, what is the duration you are giving, and you need to add from the load generators. So these all things we can do in the test plan. In the test plan, what are the scripts you are added, so that script it is a display in the test lab. So and we have the time slot mechanism for here as a performance center. Time slot mechanism means what will happen if you want to execute from the after 3 hours or otherwise after 6 hours. So which time you want comfort, you can design the scenario and you can time slot it from that time. Then what will happen is automatically the test will be triggered. That is the time slot. And you can observe one more is a test run. Once the execution is completed, we can see the test run, all the executions we can see. So now we'll see the one by one also. You can observe, you can observe here. So this is the test lab. In the test lab they are created from the one folder is a some project name, and there we are they are created from the in that we have the these all the scripts they are uploaded. You are able to see, right? So these are all scripts uploaded, you can observe here. So if you want to upload means here we have the upload button will be there. If you click from the upload button, automatically the scripts will be uploaded. For is here is a one thing is a very important for us. What is that means? Okay, here if you are uploading the script as a performance center or ALM, you should be zip the script. So what are the scripts you are completed, that script in folder you need to zip, you can zip it, and that script only we are able to upload. But in controller, so if your script is ready, it is already saved, then you can easily adding from there. But here you should be do from the okay like a zip, and you can upload. I think one more also will be there. We'll see the okay. Yeah, this is the somewhat is a very clear. So this is the login, and after that you can observe expand testing section from the left side pane. Click on the test plan, and select the subject root folder, means we need to give from the folder name. Click on the new folder. So this is the, you can observe, this is the new folder button. If you click on that, mouse pointing, provide a name, newly created folder name, means we are first in the test plan. First we are creating from the new folder in the test lab, and after that you can observe. So see, you can observe, select a newly created folder, like what is the script you are selected folder, right? So for example, here is a created as a views and script folder created, and click on upload views and scripts icon. You can observe here we have the this arrow is there, right? That is the, if you want to upload this, you need to click on the upload that one. So you can observe here. So once you can select this and click on this upload button, and you are able to see the like this. So you can observe, you are able to see the this window. If you click on that, and you need to click on select, it will display from the in your script what are the scripts you are done. So those scripts you should be do the zip. You can observe, see zip file, zip. So means if you upload the script, means with that script we need to zip, and after that only you can upload, and after that you can observe. So after uploading we can see the scripts as below. You can observe. So after that we can able to see the scripts like this. So it will be upload from the like this, and after that, after uploading the script, select a single script as shown below and know the protocol type and date and creation. Like for example, you want to see the, like each script is developed from the which protocol and what is the date of creation. If you want, miss, if you click on that script, you are able to see the here like this. This is the test name and creation date and which protocol you are worked on. This is the protocol type. It will be display. And here you can observe in the select subject root folder, means again we need to one more root folder we need to create. Click on new folder, means we need to create from the one more new folder, because we need from the scripts point of view one folder as same to the executions scenarios point of view, like peak load test, baseline test, what are the tests you are creating, that point of also you need from the one more folder. So that is why new folder, provide a name, newly created folder, and here in the below screenshot I have given name as a test lab. You can observe. So we are given as a name is the test lab. This is the test lab. Okay, and select a newly created folder test lab. Click on new test. So here we have the click on new test will be there. So here if you click on new test, it will be open from the this window, and given like test name example test lab, otherwise type performance test, like which is the, if you comfort you can give from the that name as a that test name, and after that creation date and click on OK button. Okay, and we'll see the next screen. Select the newly created test. Say for example we are created as a test lab. Here in the below screenshot, test iLab is my new test. Click on the new test, edit test option, mouse pointing. So if you click from the test, and it is showing from the edit test. If you click this, it will show the edit test, and click on the that edit button. See, after click on edit button, it will come to the design space. Like select as any workload model type as per the requirement. Like we have the basic schedule by group we have, right? Same way here also will be there. Like controller, how we are seen from the basic schedule and real world schedule and schedule by group, right? Same way here also will be there. You need to select from the, it is a schedule by scenario or schedule by group, or it is a real world or basic schedule. You need to select here. And after selected, right, select the script option. You can see the script tree. So here we have the script tree will be there. So you can expand this menu bar right side pan and expand from the this subject folder right pan, expand all the folders until your script select where your script is clicked from the arrow button. Means already we are added from the iLab, right? So in that iLab we have the scripts will be like that. You need to open that and we are able to see that this script. So you should be select that script, click on this arrow and it will add from the here, like group name nothing but script name and script path, script type, and it will display from the all. So you can observe next screen we can see that. See, if you added scripts, it will be look like this. And here the scripts, but here users will be, we need to provide as per our NFR. It is you are doing from the peak load value, means you can give the peak load value here. And here the LGs we should add. If you click from the LGs, then it will show from the LGs, available LGs, and you need to select from the which LGs as per our execution. So this LGs will be information our teammates will be, otherwise we need to ask from the our infrastructure team and what are the LGs is available for this project. Those LGs we should add from the here. LG is nothing but load generator. And here you can observe, here is the group schedule by, like we need to give from the number of users already we are given here. And after that you need to give from the ramp up and duration ramp down. If you give that and it is design will be, it will be look like this in the below screenshot. Okay, so after that like explain is completed, I will share to everyone. After that you can understand from the, once you can go through this video as well as this document. Okay, so after that if you click on the save button in the above, after design is completed you will click on the save button. It will show the validation should be green color, means there is no errors in our what are the script design from the as a test design, there is no errors, it will show. If you are any errors, it will indicate from the as a red color. Then you need to click on this and what is that error also it will display in the here. So up to this we are done the designing. So after that what I told, once the design is completed we should monitor from the CPU memory also we should monitor, I told. So CPU memory point of view, yesterday I explained as a performance. Along with the performance, yesterday I told as a Sitescope also one of the resource monitoring tool. So Sitescope also it is a desktop based application, not a desktop based application. It is a web based application. So this is the Sitescope URL, and once you can open the Sitescope, so this is the monitoring tool I am explaining. Okay, we are able to see that this, and on the monitor tab right click on the Sitescope and select a new group. Means here we need to create from the one more new group. Click on the new group. See here we are creating from the new group. Select Sitescope and creating from the new group. See this, if you click on new group, then we can see the second window. So in the new Sitescope group section, enter a name, group name field. In the group name field, you need to enter the name. So you can observe this is the group name field. For example, here they are given as a lender office. They are given, means we need to give from the our group name. We need to give. For example, we are doing from the web tour project. You can give from the web tour. So you are doing from the pest store. You can give from the pest store. So means just we are giving from the group name. and after that click on OK button. After entering the group name, here is the OK button will be there. You need to click on that. The newly created group will be visible in the list displayed on the monitor tabs. So here you can observe. So these all will be we are created as the lender office. You can observe. So this folder is created here, lender office. And find the newly selected group and right click on the group name and select as a new group. Again, what is the group you are created? In that group, again you need to create from the one more group name, and if you click on the one more group name, it will ask from the like this lender office web server. Means we need to adding from the server details. Is the lender office web server. So you can observe, and again select a newly created group above monitor list. Right click on the select new group, enter the server name, group name, and click on OK. Means again we are adding from the one more server, some WB means web server 01 we are adding from the, means we need to add from the multiple, means we can add from the same way in the lender office. We are added lender office web server, as same to the we are added one more server, and repeat the same steps to add all web services, app services, and SQL services. Servers, sorry, not services. Okay. So what are the, you have the, so for example, we have the app server 1, app server 2, app server 3 will be there. Same to the web server 1, web server 2 is will be there. And DB servers also DB1, DB2 will be there. All servers just you need to add from the as a add group, and in the lender office you need to add from the how many servers you have, you need to add from the all servers in the lender office in between. And these steps will be we need to repeat until all servers are added. Find our services in the list. Left right click on the server and choose new monitor. Again you can observe. So in the, so for example this is the project, like we are created first group name is Empower. In that I created from the this all created. This is the A0 means application 01, 02, application server 03, 04, 05, and web server 01, web server, and we are added all servers we are added here. Means we are able to see the after added like this, and choose the, and after that you can observe here one point is missed. We can select that server and click on the monitor tab. Here is a, see, find servers in the list. On the left side, right click on the server, okay, and choose the new monitor. Means what is the server we are seeing right here? You can just click on right click and click on new monitor. Then the below will be open. So you can observe. So if you open this new monitor, it will open like this. And here you need to select from the, it is a .NET or Java. You can select, and assume to the, we need to add from the counters. Counters nothing but CPU and memory utilization. See, we need to add from the here like this. One CPU, one disk, one memory, and one is one more resources. Means just right click on right button, and after that create from the CPU as a folder, like we need to add from the here. You need to click on the monitor, and once we can click on the monitor, we are able to see the CPU, memory, all will be there. So every time you need to add from the one by one. Okay, so we are added, you can observe CPU and memory disk we are added. So like that we need to add from the each and every server, this all we need to add. Same to the yesterday we seen right in the CPU, we have the sub counters also we should add it from the in between, like processor time, user time, disk nothing but disk read time, disk write time, and is a memory nothing but available bytes and committed bytes. So we should add from the all each and every server we should add. So in order to see the W3 map object listed in the .NET CL extension, the box will be needed to be active. So this is the Sitescope. See, yesterday how we did from the in performance, right? Same way we are doing from the here also. There also we are creating folder, and after that, if you created the folder, you should add from the counters as a servers. First you should add from the servers, and after that each server you should add from the counters, CPU counter, memory counter, and disk counter. You have the network means you can add network counter. All servers you should add, and after that is completed, your configuration will be done as a Sitescope or any monitoring tool will be same process. So after that completed, again come to the our performance center. See, after completing the Sitescope configuration, follow the below steps in performance center. So again expand the testing section. So in the testing section, and test resources in the test resources. You can observe this is the test resources. So this test resource is which purpose we can use means we should monitor from the monitoring, like as a resource utilization point of view, we should like monitoring from the here. Compare, you can observe controller, we not added anything from the controller, but here we should add from the, like we can add monitoring tools also for here. Okay, so here you can have provide name as a monitor profile. See here created as a folder name is a monitor profile. So after created from the monitor profile folder, and click on new folder, again in that again you need to click on the new folder, like is a test, this right, test lab is created, given name is the folder name is the test lab. Click on new resource icon given from the test server and click on the monitor configuration. So you need to add the this name, and after that you need to add from the this test server, and after that you can see the monitor configuration you need to click. Okay, so now once you click on that, we need to add from the monitors. So again here is that star is there, right? You need to click on the add monitors. So you can observe, click on add monitor. So after click on the required monitor like Windows resource or Sitescope, Apache, we need to select from the which our monitoring tool. It's Sitescope, Performance, App Dynamics, Dynatrace. So we need to select from the here. For example, this is the we are selecting from the Sitescope. You can select from the Sitescope monitoring servers. If you click on the Sitescope, have to set up a monitoring tool as a server. Okay, so provide server names. So we need should provide from the server names also. You need to provide like what is the server you are giving from the server details. You need to provide the that server name. And after that, click on get count button. Add required counters particular app server, DB server, web server. Like counters nothing but CPU memory. You can see this CPU. For here you can add from the like in sub counters like processor time, user time, what you want you can add from the here. CPU memory all you need to add from the each and every server we should add from the like this here. Means we are configuring from the Sitescope to here. After saving, you can see the monitor configuration window as below. So after what are the settings you are done, what are the you are added from the all monitoring sub counters, we are able to see the here like this. So in the lab resources you can observe, so in the testing words we can see the like what are the we are added, all things we can see the here, like what are the counters, what are the servers we are added, all things we are able to see the here. And after it is everything is done, again we can in the test lab already we are what are the scenario design is completed, right? That scenario we need to like see the here again in the test lab. So if in the test lab also it is like as a test plan only, and select a newly test created, click on the select test tab, like you need to select the this test tab. And next will be time slot, we can see. So this is the design will be like this will be there. You can observe these are the scripts and these are the users, these are the like LGs, and each script you are designed from the like this. So your designing will be like this, and after designing this will be completed. So after that, so everything is done, then you need to click on the run button. Immediately base you want to execute means click on the run button. If you click on run button, it will asking from the like what is that schedule by scenario, schedule by group, it will ask. So based on that you can select it, and you can observe. So if you want to add LGs means it will click from the LGs button, you are able to see the all available LGs, you can select from that and click on OK button. If you want to add LGs more, click on the monitors from the left side pan and click on add monitor profile. So here again if you want to add from the any SQL means you can add from the same way. Okay, we can see the next one. This is the time slot. So one more is the time slot. This is the time slot. Click on time slot option left side panel under testing. So here you need to click from the here select test. What is the test? You can select that test and click on time slot. So we can see the below window. See, it will be open like this. So where is the free, like if you are observed, this all will be already someone will be designed. So based on from the date and what time you are executing, for example you are executing from the this 5 means you can click on here and it will show the like your time slot. Okay, it is available or not, it will show. So below window it will be displayed. See, once you can click on the there, it will show from the like this, and there you need to select from the what time to what time you are executing, and click on the availability. So it will be available means you will get from the green color. If it is not available, then it will show from the time slot will be not available. So again you can go to there and you can check from the available time, and again you can design. So here you can observe, here you can give from the what time also you can give, no problem. For example, soak test we are doing. So after 12 you are starting, and tomorrow early morning 8 a.m. it is a stop. So we should be designed from the night 12 like a.m. and to 8 p.m. Then what is happening is still that it will be automatically for exactly 12 a.m. it will be your execution will be start. So these all will be like performance setup. So simply I'm giving from the like in word your understanding point of view. Okay, it is nothing. Okay, so just controller how you are doing same way. So you can create the first folder. In the folder you can create from the scripts is the one folder, and one more is the test, for example test. So in the scripts you need to upload from the script 1 and script 2, and how many scripts you have you can add, and the tests. So you can add from the baseline test, you can add baseline test. and peak load. So what are the tests you are performing? You need to give from the peak load and spike and stress and endurance. So we need to give from the like this. Here after that you can select from the this baseline test. It will ask from the edit. If you click from the edit button, then it will go to the what is the scenario we are designing, right? So that page it will go, and there you need to, if you want to add scripts, means what are the scripts will be there, you can add from the in the baseline test. Apart from the scripts, and you need to give from the number of users, and you need to add from the LGs, and it is a schedule by scenario, schedule by group you need to design, and everything is done. Then your will be execution will be like how much duration, what is the ramp up, ramp down, and everything is completed. Then after that, just click on the run button, your execution will be start. That is only we are doing from the exactly thing I am explaining. Same way you can do from the peak also, spike also, stress and endurance also we can do from the same way you can do. So immediately basis means we can do that way. And if you are not doing from the immediate basis, time slot will be there. So go to the time slot, click on that. It is the calendar will open. In the calendar, what is the available time it is showing? You can click on there and select from the your scenario, like we are doing from the baseline test. Select from the baseline. After click on the available, click on the baseline, and after that you need to give from the timelines. For example, 12 a.m. to 7 a.m. Okay, so you can give these timings, and after that click on availability. If it is the availability will be there, you will get from the green color, means okay, it is a file. Then automatically it will be trigger from the your test. So after test is execution is completed until this time, and final will be run tab. Run. In the run tab, test runs. Okay, we have the test run. In the test run, you are able to see the some 1, 2, 3 baseline test. It is a run ID, it is created like this. So this one you should open, and it will open from the analysis file in the using from the analysis. How it is open in the controller, right? Same way analysis will be open from the analyzer tool. After that we can analyze the results, that should be same. So this is the simple for the performance center. Nothing will be there. So if you done one time, it is a very easy. So this is the process. Got it? Sitescope also, if you want, means I will explain Sitescope. First, you need to create from the our project name as a web tool. In that again, you need to create from the one more folder is a like servers, like app 01, app 02, web 01, web 02, and tb 01. So you need to create the folder. In that you need to create from the again each and every folder as each and every server, and after that click on right button. Okay, click on monitor, and once you can click on the monitor, and it will show the CPU and memory and the DB network, all will be display. You should add from the in this one, you should add from the CPU and memory, and again you should add network, means network. Okay, you need to add from this. In that also when you are adding from the CPU, we have the sub counters also will be there, like processor time and user time. Okay, memory means you should add from the again sub counters like available, bytes and committed. So we should add from the each and every server. This all you should add. After if you added everything is done, so your Sitescope configuration will be done. So not only Sitescope, okay, any monitoring tool we should add from the like this you should add. So it is as of now no one done the testing. You are only doing from the first time, means you should be do from the this all things. Already execution done someone, already this all everything configuration will be there. No need to do from the this all things. You already done, everything is available, just you should be used from that. It's clear? Hello?
Yes, yes, Kiran. Okay.
Yeah, so that is the Sitescope and performance. And if you go to the like again we'll come to the here and we'll see the few like we are seen from the peak load, right? Baseline peak load soak test will be same way you can design. Why? Because so everything will be same. Spike like baseline 1 hour only you can do, and the same you are doing from the same this way you can do like ramp up, ramp down, and duration. But we have the spike test, stress test. We need to design from the different way. I will show that first, and we'll design also we can do. So now you guys able to see, right?
Yes, Kiran.
Yeah, so you can see this is the spike test. Spike test nothing but so abnormal condition we need test. So when it's a spike went high and immediately it is down, and again it is went from the spike and again it is down. So at this abnormal condition, how your application is behaving, that is the main of the spike test we are doing. Going to the stress test. Stress test nothing but you are giving to the stress to the application. So where is the your breaking point of the your application? Like you are testing with the 10 users, 20 users, 30 users, 40 users, 50 users, and you are observed that after 50 users your application is crashing. So you should give from the as a your client, okay, your application after 50 users your application is crashing. So this is the your breaking point of the your application. So then based on that, the client should be okay, 50 users point of view, what are the configurations will be there present in like production, that is not sufficient. So we should increase from the more, he will think, and they said they will do from the some changes. So that is the main aim of the stress test. Like you should be find from the break point. You can observe stress test nothing but 1x load you can do. Again you can increase from the 2x, again 3x. So 1x nothing but some peak load 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x, 5x, and 6x. So total will be every okay spike we are doing from the 10 minutes. Total is the 1 hour duration. This is also we are doing from the 12 minutes. Total is the 1 hour duration. So we need to design like this. So now we can see the spike test one. Okay. Example, we have the NFR. So we'll take from the any one. So you can observe this is the 1x nothing but it is the this is the 1x. So 1x users, for example, this is the 26. So you can observe 26 means spike means how much? 3x. So you can observe 3x. 26 into 3, 78. But we don't have much, right? So what we can do means one scenario we'll take in that 5 into 3, 15. Okay, we can give from the 5. This is the peak load 1x, and spike I'm giving from the 3x. So 3x means how much? 50. So now we can design this, and assume to the we can stress also, we can say stress. So into 5 or into 6. Into 6 means how much? 30, because it's a 6x. So now this scenario we can design using from the our load runner controller. So if you go here, already controller I opened that. Yeah. So now you can observe, we'll take from the any one of script first, okay, and when you are designing from the spike test stress, right, the user will be different, means we can select from the schedule by group, because every script behave like their own scenario. Now we can design will be start. So same to the when you are selecting from the this as a spike or stress, we need select from the real world schedule. Why? Because what is difference between basic schedule, real world schedule means? Basic schedule means single ramp up, single ramp down only it is there. We want from the multiple ramp up, multiple means we need select from the real world schedule.
Sorry for it. Single
Yes,
ramp
please.
means how many users?
Anything. See, ramp up you can give from the 100 also, you can give 1000 also give. See, this is the single ramp up means. This is the single ramp down. Okay. But spike you can observe, spike and stress you can observe, we have the multiple ramp ups there, because this is the ramp up, again ramp up, again ramp down, again ramp up, again ramp down, again ramp down. Here also you can observe ramp up, ramp up, ramp up, ramp up, again ramp down. So means multiple ramp up, multiple ramp downs when you are doing from the spike and stress.
Okay, got it. No.
Okay, so now you need to select from the schedule by scenario and schedule by group and real world schedule, and after that you need to design the scenario. First will be click on the start users. So how many users our 1x load? 5, right?
5
users. Okay, if you give from the simultaneously, we are not giving from the ramp up like this, one user like this we are not giving. So it is simultaneously it will come, means you can observe this is the 5 users, and as per spike you can observe we are given this, as per this we are given this. After that we need to execute from the this 10 minutes or 12 minutes. So means what we need to give, this is the duration you need to give. So we can click on this and give from the 12 minutes. So after that, if you go here, what we are doing? So this is the ramp up happen, and again you are executed from the duration, again ramp up. So how much we can give? 3x load. For
15.
example, here is the 10 is there. Here 3x means how much?
30.
30. But you can observe already is the 10 users here will be there. If you give 30 here, 30 plus 10, how many?
40.
40. But we need to get from the how many?
20 only.
20 only. Means here how much you need to give the ramp up? 20 only. Because this 10 will be 30 users will come here. Got it?
Got it.
So now same way we can do here. So now we can give for the ramp up. So again you need from the start user. So you can observe here we have the here is there add action after edit action and delete action. So you can observe if you click on the add action, so start user users, nothing but ramp up. Again you are adding, click on this. Please enter numeric value. How many users we are giving? See, our first 1x is how much?
5 values.
How much? 5. 3x means how much?
15.
15. Means if you give 15, 5 plus 15, 20. Actually, 3x means how much? 15
We
only,
need
right? Means
10.
we can give from the 10. Okay. See, it is a ramp up pattern. Okay. Again, what we can do? We need to execute from the 12 minutes. Again, what we need to add? Duration you should add. Add action. Select here. Duration. How much duration? Sir, 12 minutes.
12 minutes.
See, it is a 12 minutes. Again, we need to, what we can do? Down, because we need to ramp down. How many users we need to ramp down?
10.
Up to here, 10 users. So again, you need to add from here. Again, start ramp down means stop users. You can select from the 10 users and click on OK. See, again ramp down. Again, what we can do? Execute from the how much time? 12 minutes. Again, what we can add? Duration you should add. -12 minutes. So again, what we can do? Again, ramp up. Again, add action. Start users. How many users we need to ramp up? 10 users.
10.
Because already 5 users will be there. Again, duration.
Again, we should give a time.
So again, ramp down. Again, how many users we need to stop? Again, 10 users. Okay, again, duration. Again, 12 minutes duration. See, final will be again no need from the ramp up. We can give from the ramp down. Means stop users. Already we have stop users. If you click here and all users means you can give from the all users. Okay, and okay. See, ramp up also it is happen like this. So we can design from the spike text likes and total will be how much duration you can observe? 1 hour.
1 hour.
So you can observe here, first will be how many users? 5 users. Again here you can observe how many users? 15 users. Again if you down from the here, again how many users? 5
10
users.
10.
Again here 15
10
users.
is,
No, this 5 plus 10, it is a 15, right? Actually 3x nothing but is a 15, right? Okay, because
okay.
we are not full downing. If you full down, then it is only from 50 or 10 users will come. Here is a 5 users will be there.
Yeah, already.
Again you are adding from the 10. Total will be 15. So like this we can design from the spike text. So how many scripts you have? Each and every script you should design from the like this. So if you go from the any institute, no one explain from the this spike and stress. So they will just show this, and you can give from the multiple ramp up, multiple ramp down duration, and you can execute. So 1 hour you can execute. They sit, they will explain. Okay.
Okay.
So now we can see the one more stress also we can see. See this script we can design from the stress. Okay. We can now that even just I disable. Okay, nothing worry. Now again, if you are doing from the spike stress or spike also, we need from the schedule by group and real world schedule as per our diagram. First ramp up 1x load. 1x means 5 users. 5 users will be executed from the
10
10
minutes.
minutes duration. Again ramp up 2x load. Again 3x, 4x, only ramp up. After final only we need to ramp down. So now we'll see. Okay. Start users. So total how many users we have?
50.
No, 1x load. We are giving from the 1x only. 5 users. Okay. Simultaneously I am giving.
Okay.
Click on OK. So this is 5 users came. And after that what we can do? We need to execute from the 10 minutes. So duration we should give from the 10 minutes. So 10 minutes. Really, some guys will be who are working along with me, they also don't know how to design these scenarios.
Okay.
Okay, carefully listen. Okay, now again we need to do from the ramp up. So 1x load is a 5, 2x is a how much?
10.
10. So again you can add here, again start users. So for here how many users we need to give? 2x means?
Already 5 is there.
Already 5 is there means 10 means we need to give from the one more 5. Click on OK. Again duration. You can add from the again duration. Okay.
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Again ramp up. How many users?
5 users we will
5
use.
only, because every time increasing from the 5 only. Again duration.
$10 minutes only.
Sorry, 10, 12 is given. Okay, sorry. Again ramp up. Again 5 users. Okay. Again duration. Again 5 users. So you can observe 1x, 2x, 3x, 4x. Again you need to give from the duration and you can ramp down. That's it. See, you can observe. This is the 5x. If you want from the 6x also, you can add one more. Start user. And again give from the duration as the 10 minutes. And final will be stop users. Already we have, right? We can utilize this. See? So you can observe 5 users. So 1x load and see 10 users. Again it is a 20. Again 30. Again 40. Again 50. So that is the output. Finally we are down all users. So like this we need to design from the each and every spike and stress test. Got it?
Got it.
Okay. So this way you can do from the execution, and this way you can design the scenarios, and after that you can do from the executions. So today I am stopping up to this, and as of now I think you guys can prepare well and practice also well, and you can see this class immediately based you can practice. Otherwise, okay, what I did, you guys will be don't know. Okay, so that is why you guys practice well, and tomorrow onwards we'll see the analysis part. Okay, and after how to we can analyze the results. If you identify the any, like if you are not meet the SLA, how to we can dig the issue, where need to identify the issue, how if it is a results will be good, what are the things we should share as a report, and all things we can discuss in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
So thank you for joining, and we'll meet from the next class and we'll continue. Okay.
Okay. Please share this documents and this screenshot.
Yeah, sure. I will share. Just remember, immediately basis maximum I will share to you, because
Ah,
yesterday also I told I forget. Definitely
ah.
I will share. Okay, no worry.